Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Serkan here. Now we are together with you again for a new video. Today we are going to tour a beautiful brand new an apartment at Trabzon Yomra in Kaşüstü region. Before we tour, I would like to speak of a little about the Kaşüstü region. Kaşüstü region is very beautiful, very nice place. This place is where new buildings, luxury buildings, villas project are built and that develop as location, commercial and tourism facilities, and that get an attention a lot of people from here and abroad. Also, Kaşüstü region has luxury hotels, big hotels, Cevahir shopping mall, courthouse, very big government hospital. Really, this region is worth see and live. As for the future of the project, this project consists of 3 blocks with 12 floors and it is on 3000 square meters land size in the total. There are 3 apartments each floor. We have playground, sitting area and parking lot. Let's speak about our apartment. Our apartment is 150 square meters gross area in the total, 3 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 1 living room and 1 kitchen. Let's see inside of the property. Hi again. Now we are ready to enter of the apartment. We are on 9th floor. Let's speak about the door. In the Turkey, this is classical. Everybody use city door. Let's go on. As you walk into home, you have an entry in here. On this side, you have living room. On this side, the kitchen is available. You have an empty part for your cloakroom. You can cover with your cloakroom from here. Maybe this point is available. This is living room. Living room is very large, very beautiful. Suspended ceiling has been completed and you have TV unit in here and internet. You have another TV unit. There are a lot of light coming from outside to living room. This is very nice. There is a wood look PVC. It's become from the ground, go to roof, and from the living room you have a beautiful sea view, city view. Really very good. Right of the living room, we are on balcony. The balcony is large, useful really, and if you want, you can cover with glasses and you can put your sofa, your armchair, and you can drink your tea. This is very nice, and from here you have got very good sea view. Let's keep continue from the kitchen. This is our kitchen. Useful and clean. The wall is clean. Countertop is clean. This part for oven, for cooker. You have storage area inside of the cabinet. This countertop is quality. This is strong against the water. And here you can put your refrigerator. In this section you can put your dinner table. These are available. Let's keep continue for bedrooms. First bedroom. It is useful and spacious. You can use for reading room for your kids. We have another bedroom in here. The same, the square meters is approximately 9 or 10 square meters in the total. Right this way we have master room. Master room is square meters in the total, 15 square meters, and you have a balcony. A little balcony is available in here. You can put your chair. This is possible, and a little sea view you have got. Let's go on. There is a bathroom in here. You have shower and sink. If you prefer, you can put a WC. This is available. Now we are on common bathroom. Very large, very clean. You have shower cabin. Shower cabin is very good, really. And WC, sink, and you have heater in here. Right next to bathroom, you have WC, classical WC. All walls covered with ceramic. This apartment is really very nice, very beautiful. It is so close to supermarket, shopping malls, and otobüs and dolmuş. Thank you so much for watching us. See you another time for another video. All the best.